Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, March 7th. I have a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're most definitely going to get into an on foot. I picked these up today over at Lapstone and Hammer. They were a first come, first served basis. And it was the first time in a long time that I actually seen like a little bit of friction craziness in a sneaker line. And this pair of sneakers I didn't feel like was going to command that kind of, behavior. It's cold. It's windy. It was actually supposed to be a nice day. I don't know what happened. And tomorrow was supposed to be beautiful. So I'm hoping to get some, some cool pictures done, some on-feed stuff tomorrow, for Instagram. But I'm definitely going to be getting into an on-foot here in the video. That being said, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. We're going to dive right into this unboxing. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up so I stay relevant here on YouTube and try to conquer this YouTube algorithm. You know why you're here. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We have the Jordan 3 Retro in this Valor Blue, and it's a North Carolina blue. It's a Tar Heel blue. It is Carolina blue. It's University blue. It is Tar Heel blue. It is Chapel Hill blue, being widely considered a North Carolina knockoff PE, as it has Jumpman branding, Jordan Air branding, and not the branding of the North Carolina Tar Heels. One cool touch is it does have like the Jumpman college tag on the insole opposed to the regular Jordan branding, and then it's got that traditional Jordan branding on the sole. Not too much to say about this pair of sneakers. It is a powder blue, baby blue, Valor Blue, North Carolina blue, Carolina blue, Eric Costin SB Jordan 1 low blue. I have them on right now. And actually, as I'm looking, the Carolina blue is somewhat darker and richer, and this is more of a baby powder blue. Jordan 3, top 3 sneaker silhouette of all time in my humble opinion. Air Max 1, Jordan 3. We know this cannot be debated with me. They are my 3 favorite sneaker silhouettes. They are my 3 favorite sneaker models. And maybe one day we'll try to rank the 3 in order. We'll try to go with which colorways I feel are the best in them 3 models. But colorway aside, just on aesthetics, just on sneaker silhouette, we know the Jordan 3 is a top 3 sneaker model to me. It is top 2 Jordan to me. And baby blue is probably my second favorite color. So baby blue, powder blue, Carolina blue, all fall in that category, are probably my second favorite color besides red. I would consider, maybe black, red, baby blue, my 3 favorite colors, and then maybe navy, yellow, purple. A wide variety. Your boy got a very big palette when it comes to colors. Your boy got a very big palette when it comes to styling sneakers. That being said, people were crushing Jordan brand for the leather. It's not the best Jordan 3 leather I've ever seen, felt, touched in my life. It's definitely not the worst. People kind of hate the tumbled leather. People kind of want, a more sleeker type, better high quality leather. But I just feel that for what we're getting, $190, Jordan Retro in the North Carolina Tar Heels colorway, right as March Madness is getting ready to start. Jordan brand couldn't have done it any better. You got that crystal clear air unit. You got that Carolina blue and white midsole. You got that elephant print around the toe box, going around the heel. Powder blue, Valor Blue, Carolina blue. Blues clues for days over here. Jumpman on the tongue. Jumpman Jordan Air branding on the back of the pull tab. Some of the stuff that's different than the traditional Jordans. Little touches of flair to the Jordan 3 that aren't on the traditional pair. I already touched on the insole. You have heart on the right sneaker, and then sole instead of the Air Jordan 3 here. I'll have images going across, and that's pretty much it. I can't wait to get these on feet. I can't wait to do, can't wait to get some nice flicks for the gram for you guys tomorrow, since it's supposed to be like damn near 60 degrees. Monday is going to be almost 70 here in Philadelphia. If you doubt that global warming is real, just take a look at Philadelphia. It is March 7th, and we've had maybe 8 snow flurries the whole year. Well, that's it, guys. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to bang out this on foot. I will be back later this week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Richie Ruckus beat.